Diwali, the festival of lights, brings immense joy, togetherness, and energy into our homes. But for expectant mothers, this vibrant season also calls for extra care and mindfulness. I'm Dr. Shweta Wazir, and today I'll guide you on how to enjoy a safe, healthy, and blissful Diwali during pregnancy. Traditional Diwali cleaning often involves lifting heavy objects, bending, or exposure to chemical cleaners, all of which can stress the back and abdomen or irritate your respiratory tract. So, during pregnancy, avoid overexertion and delegate your heavy chores. Use natural cleaning agents like baking soda, lemon, and vinegar. They are safe and non-toxic. Ensure that the rooms are well ventilated, wear a mask, and take breaks every 20 to 30 minutes. Crowded markets and long shopping hours can lead to fatigue, swelling, and dizziness due to dehydration or low blood sugars. So, plan your shopping early or choose online alternatives. Wear supportive footwear, avoid prolonged standing, and carry light snacks like fruits or nuts with you. If you experience backache, mild cramping, or swelling, please rest with your legs elevated. During Diwali, limit outdoor exposure during the peak hours. You can use air purifiers when you're indoors, keep the windows closed, and choose eco-friendly diyas or LED lights instead of fireworks. Avoid inhaling smoke. Avoid going near open flames, especially with loose clothing like saris or dupattas. Working expectant mothers often have to juggle office tasks and festive chores, leading to stress, fatigue, and sleep deprivation. So, plan your week in advance. If possible, request for flexible hours or work from home options. Take short breaks, practice deep breathing, and stay emotionally grounded. Remember, your calmness directly influences your baby's well-being. Festive sweets and fried snacks are irresistible, but moderation is the key. Excess sugar or oil can lead to heartburn, gestation diabetes, and indigestion. So, opt for home-cooked foods made with jaggery, nuts, and ghee in small portions. Maintain a balanced diet rich in iron, calcium, and folate with fruits, vegetables, dairy, and whole grains. Eat small, frequent meals, and don't forget, drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Adequate rest is essential for both maternal and fetal health. Pregnancy increases fatigue, and Diwali's excitement can disturb your sleep. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep, take power naps, and avoid staying up late for long celebrations. A good rest supports hormonal balance, better immunity, and consequently your fetal growth. For mothers with young children, vigilance is the key. Supervise kids near diyas or candles, keep flammable materials out of your reach, and use LED lights instead of open flames. Educate your children about safe firecracker handling and ensure first aid is easily accessible. If your child has asthma or allergies, limit outdoor exposure during peak smoke hours and use air purifiers at home. During the festival rush, please don't ignore your warning signs. What are they? If you experience dizziness, breathlessness, abdominal pain, swelling, bleeding, or reduced fetal movements, please seek immediate medical attention. A prompt care ensures yours and your baby's safety always. This Diwali, let your home shine with love and safety and not with a strain or stress. Celebrate mindfully, nourish yourself, and rest well. Wishing you all a healthy, glowing, and peaceful Diwali for you and your little one. I am Dr. Shweta Wazir, always here to support your journey towards your safe motherhood.